In today's video, Today I'll show you how to run a regression analysis in Google Sheets on desktop. Start by opening your Google Sheet on desktop. Have two columns of numeric data ready to go. The first should represent your independent variable, the factor you think drives change, and the second, your dependent variable, the outcome you want to explain. Clear column headers help, and it's best to avoid blank rows or stray text so Google Sheets reads the range correctly. Next, select the two columns you want to analyze. Click and drag from the top left cell of your chosen range down to the bottom right so both columns are highlighted together. With your data selected, head to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Chart. A chart appears on your sheet with the Chart Editor panel on the right. If you don't see the editor, click the chart once to make the panel appear. In the chart editor, change the chart type to Scatter Chart. A scatter plot places each observation as a dot using your two columns, which is exactly what you want for a basic linear regression. Scroll down within the chart editor and open the Series section. Check the box labeled Trend Line. This adds the line of best fit through your scatter, and by default it's linear, which corresponds to a standard linear regression. Open the trend line options and enable Show R2, then set Label to Use Equation. Google Sheets will print the regression equation on the chart in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the intercept. In simple terms, the slope tells you how much the dependent variable changes for a 1-unit increase in the independent variable, and the intercept is the model's predicted value of I when x is 0. The R2 value ranges from 0 to 1 and indicates how well the line explains the variability in your data. The closer it is to 1, the better the fit. Now, look at your chart to view the regression line, the equation, and the R2 value directly in context. You can drag the chart to a convenient spot or resize it so the labels are easy to read. If your data has clear linear structure, the trend line and R2 will give you a quick visual sense of the relationship and the strength of your model. And that's how you run a regression analysis in Google Sheets on desktop.